channel. So it is 10:19 p.m. at night. So today I'm gonna show you guys unbox my Mannequinn. So I got that for my birthday because this is the one I wanted. So I'm gonna start making costumes now. So I haven't finished the pirate dress yet. I haven't started the Katniss braid tribute dress yet. So let's get started. So I'm gonna open this box up. And so everything comes inside this box because, and I may be mindful, but you have to open it. You have to be very careful. Be careful. Be careful. I'll put my nail on. Be careful. So you have to be careful. This is why you have to be very careful, my dear. Unless it looks fine. Directions. Alright, so here's the directions that I'm gonna follow. So if this helps out, just let me know in the comments. So it needs to do is the chest pull, the stands in the in the top in the tree topper, and it's like in the circles, like here's how it looks like. So that was it for this quick video. So I really hope you guys enjoy. So I'll be doing a Black Friday haul tomorrow. I'll be doing that tomorrow, though. I'm going to show the stuff that I got for my 25 feliz cumpleaños. So yes, I'm speaking Spanish, obviously, but hope you all enjoy and thanks for watching. Bye bye.